Lie on the back please. Elongate legs and arms comfortably. Direct the toes of feet toward the ceiling. Feet are not open to a side. Extend feet down and return a few times. By extending, I mean to point the toes downward. Put it another way, plantar flex the foot. Pay attention to the lower lumbar, around the fourth and fifth lumbar vertebra and the upper pelvis. Does the area lift from the floor slightly as you extend feet? The left and the right side of the muscles around the lumbar area are not being elongated much as it is constrained by the spine. The hard spine does not allow the elongation of the muscles as long as you are trying to elongate both sides simultaneously. The only option for your natural body is to roll the pelvis forward and lift the lower lumbar area to point the toes. Leave it alone and rest please. Now, extend the toes of the right foot down many times. Do you feel the right side of the lower lumbar lift slightly? Meanwhile the left side, more or less, stays on the floor. Next time the toes are extended, stay there. Imagine to lower the lumbar close to the floor and lift it again. Repeat this in your imagination. Don't actually do it now. Imagine it many times. Once the imagination becomes clear, or you feel the movement clearly, do it actually a few times. Leave it alone and rest. This time, extend the toes of the left foot down many times. Do you feel the left side of the lower lumbar lift slightly? Next time the toes are extended, stay there. Imagine to lower the lumbar close to the floor and lift it again. Repeat this in your imagination. Don't actually do it now. Imagine it many times. Once the imagination becomes clear, or you feel the movement clearly, do it actually a few times. Leave it alone and rest. Now point or extend feet as we did in the beginning to see what happens to the lower lumbar area. I expect that the pelvis and the lower lumbar are not lifted as much as in the beginning. Leave it alone and rest a while. Get up and walk around to feel the movement of the pelvis and the lumbar. This concludes the lesson. Thank you.